Hey friends, if you encounter warm errors on your Microsoft system, then please watch this video. The resolution has been given here and it is related to the TPM. So here's what you can do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type tpm.msc and hit enter. And now click on this option here, clear TPM. Okay, and after that you will have to restart your computer, but before that check if the status or TPM is that if TPM is ready for use. Now you need to understand one thing, that every system does not come with the TPM chip, and if your computer does not have the TPM chip, then you can do nothing about it. Then you will have to use a different system. And there's another case in which your IT department, in case you're using a managed system, an organization managed system, in that case the IT department of your company can also place restrictions on you from using software products even if you have the TPM chip. So for that case you will have to contact the IT department of your company or your organization. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.